Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most exciting and transformative technologies of our time. From healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment, AI is being used in nearly every industry to streamline processes, improve efficiency, and create new opportunities. One of the most promising areas of AI is autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars have the potential to transform the way we commute, reduce traffic congestion, and even save lives by reducing accidents caused by human error. Drones are another example of AI in action. These unmanned aerial vehicles are being used in everything from search and rescue operations to package delivery. With AI, drones can navigate through challenging environments and make decisions in real time, making them an invaluable tool for a variety of industries. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots are revolutionizing the way we produce goods. These robots can work 24/7, are highly efficient, and can perform tasks that are too dangerous or difficult for humans to do. This means increased productivity and lower costs for businesses. AI is also changing the way we interact with technology. Virtual assistants like Siri and others use natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to our requests. They can answer questions, play music, and even control smart devices in our homes, making our lives more convenient and connected. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new treatments, analyze patient data, and even predict disease outbreaks. With AI, doctors and researchers can quickly process large amounts of data and identify patterns that may not be visible to the human eye. AI is also being used in the arts. From music to painting, AI is being used to create new forms of expression and push the boundaries of creativity. So whether you're a business owner, a healthcare professional, an artist, or just someone who wants to stay connected to the latest technology, AI is changing the world in exciting and unexpected ways. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more AI content.